chug 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 choo do 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 da. Chug chug little toy train, rolling down the track again, round the bends and through the town, up the hill and sliding down. Chug chug, don't be slow, blow your whistle, off you go. Clickety clack, the wheels all sing, hear the happy echoes ring, past the trees and tiny moss, over rivers never lost. Chug chug, hear the sound, joyful music all around. Toot toot whistle loud, make the children laugh out proud. Carry teddy dolls and blocks, packed inside your colorful box. Chug chug, full of cheer, bringing smiles far and near. Through the tunnel dark and wide, little lights glow from inside, out again to sunny skies, sparkling bright before our eyes. Chug chug, shining bright, daytime fun and nighttime light. Red and yellow, blue and green, prettiest train we've ever seen, spinning wheels that dance along, keeping time like a happy song. Chug chug, clap your hands, ride along to magic lands. When the day is almost done, after all the games and fun, slowly now you start to rest, quiet time you love the best. Chug chug, soft and low, home again so gently go. Dream dream little toy train, soon you'll wake and play again. Morning comes, you'll start anew, with your whistle toot toot toot. Chug chug, here we go, on our tracks away we go.
Hands and ends. I'm down. Hands, elbows, legs and feet, legs and feet. Hands, elbows, legs and feet, legs and feet. Clap them high and tap the beat. Move your body to the beat. Hands, elbows, legs and feet, legs and feet. Eyes, ears, nose and smile, and smile. Eyes, ears, nose and smile.
high, watching over sleepy sky. Tuck the stars in one by one. Day is done, the night's begun. Good night, soft moon so bright. Guard my dreams till morning light. Good night, clouds that drift so slow, painted in a silver glow, floating past the quiet trees, swaying gently in the breeze. Good night, clouds so light and free, drifting through the night with me. Good night, room so warm and still, window lamp and windowsill, Teddy resting by my side, dreams are waiting open wide. Good night, toys that laugh and play, time to rest till break of day. Good night, whispers in the air, soft as secrets everywhere. Crickets sing a sleepy tune underneath the glowing moon. Good night, songs so sweet and low, rock me gently as I go. Good night, shadows on the wall, growing big and then so small, dancing in the dim night light, fading softly out of sight. Good night, shadows calm and deep, close your eyes and fall asleep. Good night, dreams that start to grow, places only dreamers know, sailing boats on starry seas, flying high above the trees. Good night, dreams so soft and bright, carry me away tonight. Good night, world both far and near, every sound I softly hear. With a yawn and sleepy sigh, I let all my worries fly. Good night, moon up in the sky, sing me lullabies. Goodbye. 5 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck called, quack, come back, but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out once more, waddling by the river shore. Mama duck called, quack, come back, but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went exploring wide, splashing in puddles side by side. Mama duck called, quack, come back, but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out that day, chasing dragonflies at play. Mama duck called, quack, come back, but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck felt small and blue, missing the
the little ducks came back. Sad Mama Duck went out to find her little ducks of every kind. She called out loud, "Quack, come back!" And all 5 little ducks came back. 5 little ducks all safe once more, playing together like before. Mama Duck smiled, "Stay close, my dears," and hugged them tight with happy cheers. Now every day they laugh and play, never wandering far away. When Mama Duck calls, "Quack, come back!" all 5 little ducks come running back.